Hey everyone, Lish here, coming to you from the 412. So we're doing a little HIIT tutorial today, and the goal is to make sure we move in all ranges of motion. So I'm getting my neck ready. And now I'm going to get my spine ready, taking a little rotation here. And it looks like I'm controlling my arms, but really I'm kind of letting them just swing in their plane. Working into my hip here. So first thing everyone's going to want to do is a jumping jack. And modified, we're starting down, taking one foot out to the side and raising the hands. And what's good for the goose is good for the gander, so we do the other side. And you can do this little step in between here. It's a step touch with a hammer curl. There we go. Transitioning here, actual jumping jacks. Slight bend to the knees for these. You don't want to land roughly. And really pull it into the core. Next up, we have lunges. So we're starting with a high knee. Right, getting that lunge ready, the hip ready for that range of motion. Step down, focusing on the back knee dropping, keeping the chest high. And I'm working my arms here like a runner. Back knee is not touching the floor, by the way. Opposite side. I'm doing sets of 10. And then we go to the lateral plane. I'm doing a very small lunge, but stepping out to the side to get into that range of motion. Now we have mountain climbers. So to do a mountain climber, you have to do a plank. And in doing a plank, you find balance in the core. So just keeping a nice neutral neck, chin in line with the chest. Palms are underneath the shoulders for even distribution across. And then I'm pulling the weight to my center. So notice my hips are not sagging. And if they do, I shift back in my heels. Now, a little breather, right? Oh, planks are a lot of work. We're going to get into mountain climber, where that's one knee up and back. So your knee might not come as close to your chest as mine does, but the real rule of thumb is do it without a tap. So some people bring it up and pull a tap. Or if you're looking to really progress them, run it. Keep your lower back as high as possible and run those knees in and out. Really with no rotation in the hips as well. That's the difference for mountain climber. Now we have ninja tuck jump. So if you're starting out, this is where you're trying to get to, holding a low squat and feeling comfortable. So we're doing an up, up, down, down, heels down, so make sure your feet are open wide. And really when you take them out, try to relax the toes in the back so that you're picking them up without them being tucked under. And this is tiring enough, guys. So for ninja tuck jump, we want our feet untucked, sitting up nice and tall, and we're going to use our arms as propellers. Hopping up into that high squat or that low squat and then back down. Ninja tuck jump. So you can time these. The goal of Ninja Tuck Jump is really just picking the knees up as close to the chest as possible and feeling comfortable landing, so a very big glute engage. So getting the hips ready for a Spiderman plank, and then adding, it's a fire hydrant pulled to the knee. So you work within your range of motion here, and you're taking that knee up to the tricep of the arm. And again, you want a nice tabletop back, neutral spine, and your knee is returning back to hip level, not pulled to the other knee. So push up, pull in, pull in. So you can do that warm up about 10 times on each side, and then this is the progression. And of course, you can be down on your knees for push up. Woo! Here we go. Good old-fashioned burpee. So modified here, we reach up, we come down to knees, do a little push-up, step back up, and then reach. The right way, well, not right way, but the more progressed way that we look for it is a hop, dropping down to the floor and all the way back up for another hop. So we can progress this more by hopping over the crick, side to side. So hop, burpee, hop, burpee. And this helps to increase proprioception so that you know where you are, right? Even though it's the same movement, you have changed yourself in space. Hope you liked the tutorial. Let me know how it works when you try these out.